Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem in the MinTerm and MaxTerm. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. We'll solve the problem based on MinTerm and MaxTerm. Before that we'll see what is meant by MinTerm and MaxTerm. Let us consider the three variables A, B, C. So 3 variable means 2 to the power 3. There are 8 combinations available starting from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 like that. So the 0, 0, 0 in MinTerm it is represented A bar, B bar and C bar. That is equal to small m naught. MinTerm means represented by small m naught. This MinTerm is nothing but SOP form. The same thing is represented in MaxTerm as A plus B plus C. This is capital M naught. But this is PYS form, is product of sum form, right? So here A bar mean here A, here all are multiplied mean here all are added. So that is the both are inversely proportional, right? So A bar, B bar, C is represented A, B, A plus, B plus C, M naught, right? This is SOP form and this one PYS form. So like that we can represent other terms also, right? 0, 0, 0 means M naught in MinTerm. Capital M naught in MaxTerm. Similarly 0, 0, 1 means M1, M2, M3. Here small, here capital, right? So like that we can represent all 8 combination using from M naught to M7, right? Similarly here also M naught to M7. So based on that we can solve the problem. So in the first problem it is given express f equal to A plus B bar C as a sum of MinTerms, A plus B bar C. So A plus B bar C is not a standard SOP form. Standard SOP form means this product term having all the literals, but here only A is available, B and C is missing. Here BC is available, A is missing, right? So this is not a standard SOP form. We will make it into standard SOP form, then only we can apply the MinTerms, right? So these product terms are not standard, is not having all the literal. We will make it as to having all the literals, right? So the A is available, B and C is not available, so that it is multiplied by B plus B bar and C plus C bar. B plus B bar value is 1, C plus C bar value also 1, so that it will not affect the originality of the function. Similarly here BC is available, A is missing, so that we multiply with A plus A bar. A plus A bar value is 1, so that the original equation will not affect, right? So here A is available, B and C is missing, so that we multiplied with B plus B bar into C plus C bar. Here BC is available, A is missing, so that multiplied by A plus A bar. Now we need to simplify this expression. In order to apply the MinTerm, we need to simplify this expression, right? First multiply A inside, first this term, then thereafter we will take this term. So A into B, A into B bar, right? A is multiplied inside, so that AB plus AB bar into C plus C bar. Here again here this BC is multiplied inside, so that A B bar C plus A bar B bar C, right? This B bar C is multiplied inside. Now the C bar is available, right? We will multiply this AB into C, AB into C bar, AB bar into C, AB bar into C bar, right? All are multiplied together, so that we got 4 terms. These 2 terms are written as it is, A B bar C plus A bar B bar C, right? Now we will rearrange this expression. ABC is written here, AB C bar, then AB A B bar C, then this A B bar C bar, then A bar B bar C, right? A B bar C is already available, right? This term is available 2 times, so no need, right? We can omit this 1 term, right? So what totally there are 6 terms available, in that this A B bar C is available 2 times, we can neglect. Now there are 5 terms are available. Now we can represent these 5 terms with the MinTerm, right? So ABC is nothing but M7. Just now we refer the tabular column. From the tabular column we can write ABC means M7. A B C bar means M6. A B bar C means M5. A B bar C bar means it is M4. A bar B bar C means M1. So from the table these values are written. Now we'll write in a order. This is nothing but sum of product. Sum of product min term. Write this in a order 1 plus 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Right. So the given complicated expression is simply represented as sum of product min term as 1 4 5 6 7. This expression having the min terms 1 4 5 6 7. Right. It is simply represented. Now we'll go to the next problem. Example 2. So here given as f equal to xy plus x bar z. The product of max term. Previous one we have sum of min term. Now we need to convert into product of max term. Right. So the given expression is xy plus x bar z. So this is not a standard POS form. Here xy is there, z is missing. Here x bar z is there, y is missing. Right. So we will make it into standard form. So the xy is available, z is missing, so that multiplied by z plus z bar. Here x bar z, y is missing, so that multiplied by y plus y bar. So z plus z bar value is 1, so that original value will not affect. Y plus y bar value also 1, so the original value will not affect. Now we can simplify this expression. We can multiply inside xy into z, xy into z bar, x bar z into y, x bar z into y bar. Right. These terms are multiplied inside. Now there are 4 terms available. This is the standard POS form. All the sum term having, all the product term having, all the literals. Right. So this x, y, z is nothing but M7. Right. So it is not a small m, it is a capital M. Right. All are capital M. So it is written here clearly, but here written small. So M7. First term is M7. Second term x, y, z bar is M6. X bar, y, z is M3. X bar, y bar, z is nothing but M1. Right. So we discussed in the beginning we discussed the tabular column, min term and max term. From the tabular column we can write this value. Right. So the sum of this is small m only. This is small m. After min term only we are going to write the max term. Right. This is small m only. Right. What we need is product of max term. But for this given expression, first we can find the sum of min terms. From that we can find the product of max terms. Right. So sum of min term, what we have 1 3 6 7, 1 3 6 7 available. Right. So this is nothing but sum of min term 1 3 6 7. Then what about the max term, product of max term? The terms not available here, we can write it. 0 is not available, so we can write 0. 1 is available here. 2 is not available, we can write here. 3 is available here. 4 and 5 is not available. Then 6 and 7 is available here. So the terms not available here, we can write it as a product of max term. So that 0, 2, 4, 5 is coming under product of max term. 1, 3, 6, 7 coming under sum of min terms. Right. So in this given problem, first is converted into standard POS form, standard SOP form. Right. What we need is product of max term, but this expression we can find only sum of min terms. From sum of min term we can write the product of max term. The terms missing here is written for the product of max terms. So in this video we discussed 2 problems to convert the expression into min term in the terms of min term and max term. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.